All right, hey guys, it's Axe here with a quick update, an important update. For those of you it's first time hearing my voice, welcome. Hopefully you're not disappointed. I'm sure some of you will be. Anyway, this is a crypto update for CakeTrades. The reason I'm doing this now and sort of quickly and on the fly is because we have ourselves a situation, and I have a bigger video coming out soon with some targets, but I want to give you an idea of where I think we are in the crypto market and where I think we're going and how you need to trade over the next, it could be 24 hours, it could be 2 weeks. But here's a look at the live Ethereum chart. I'm just going to use Ethereum because that's what I had loaded and that's what I've got sort of using for my orientation. Okay, so I'm just going to pull up a 5-minute chart, and you can see we're blasting off here. Let me undo this here. You can see it's blasting off. This is a 5-minute. We're reaching resistance, and I hope I can get this video done in time to do what I need to do personally. But anyway, I'm going to go back to the one-day chart. Okay, so you can see we're up. It looks good. It looks healthy, right? Here's our prior high. Here's the high before that, where we sort of back tested. Anyway, so here's our high. We're above it. We're consolidating. For most of us, that's a buy signal, right? Let's buy the breakout. Let's go. Let's fucking go. The problem is when you buy breakouts, especially in crypto, you can get your ass handed to you. And the reason I say that is because the paradigm for where we're at now is this. If you go back to 2017, okay, very similar move down with a bit of a, you could call it a wedge-like structure. Because we're in log scale here, the size of the move is not really as obvious as it is up here towards our recent price levels. But similar approach. We went straight down here. We chopped a little bit towards the low. We had another low, and we're sort of consolidating in between. Right here, we consolidated for a brief period, and then boom, we went up a little bit. Okay, now that all looks good, but let me show you something else. Okay, in 2017, this move took us from the high to the low, and I took the wicks out because wicks can be, as crypto people like to say, scam wicks, and I find we get better numbers on the better fibs on the body of the candle. Anyway, so we hit the 1272. In fact, we went above it, and if I did a quick, let me just give you a quick and dirty. We went about 8% above it, right? You can see here, similar move from the high to the low. We are at the 272. Okay, so if I'm going to draw an 8%, that's going to take us to about 52.41 Ethereum. It's a hell of a number. I'd like to see us get there. Looks like we're breaking out now. We could, but what you need to watch for, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this, is the throw over, which essentially the breakout that gets everybody bullish. Everybody's going to mortgage their property. They're going to go max leverage, trying to catch this breakout, and then it's going to reverse. Okay, and if you look here, we reversed basically to the prior high, and that gives us 41.72 Ethereum. Bitcoin, you have to forgive my chart, a little messy, a lot going on here. But Bitcoin, let's just say we're somewhere in the range of, low 60 to 62, which actually is more constructive than Ethereum. In 2017, that was a 25% move, okay? From here, if we're able to hit this 10% of this 5K Ethereum, again, let me go 9%. Bring it down 25%. And again, we may not hit it perfectly, but that puts us very similar move, right? Like you can see the fractal is almost flawless. That takes us to 4,000. Okay, so what we're doing now is, of course, you're gonna begin accumulating crypto if you haven't already, you're going to be long right now into this fib level, and you're going to watch it, and you're going to set stops, and you're going to raise your stops. You're going to look for Bitcoin maybe 70, 69, something like that. You're going to look for Ethereum 5K if we can get there. And again, not every move's the same. We may stop here. We're already very close to 5K. I don't see why they don't try and push it just to draw people in and get some FOMO. But we're within probably 24 to 48 hours of getting this move done. Okay, and that's when it's going to reverse. And you're going to want to, depends on your strategy. Me personally, I don't hold crypto for a long time. I rotate back and forth between assets. So I'm gonna cash out on my crypto portfolio, unless it's an alt where I'm really down and I want to just keep holding a position, and I know it's going to bounce back. But definitely cash out your leverage positions. I'm personally going to cash out some of my my unleveraged positions. I'm going to wait. I might even put on a light short, because I don't want to get stopped out. I don't want to get liquidated if they try and push it too hard or I time it wrong. I may put on a short, bring us down to that 4K level on Ethereum. Maybe it's 60, maybe it's 58 to 60K on Bitcoin. And then we're going to load the boat. We're going to buy everything. We're going to buy Ethereum. We're going to buy Bitcoin. I've got targets of Bitcoin 215 to 250,000, Ethereum about 12.2 to 12.5 by spring of 2022, and I'll be releasing a chart soon to walk you through that, probably a video as well. But just want to give you a quick update to help you trade this. I could be wrong, but the good thing about this is when we violate one of the rules on this fractal, or the levels of support resistance, it's an easy call to know that this video was bullshit and you can throw it away. But I think we're going to be pretty close here. Good luck.